can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Filecoin. Filecoin is up 134% over the last 24 hours. Filecoin has rallied up by more than 142% over the last 1 week. The last 24 hours, I've seen a lot of altcoins popping. Filecoin is one of those altcoins, triple digit gains on a daily time frame. How high can Filecoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Look at Filecoin's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Is Filecoin ready for one of those big pumps to the upside? Well, we're going to face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices. Look at some curiosities about Filecoin, Filecoin's performance against Ethereum, Filecoin's performance against Bitcoin, and also look at Filecoin's market cap, which is still around the $2 billion level. Cryptocurrency markets, crazy things can happen. How high will Filecoin go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Altcoins pumping, front, left, and center. A lot of market participants have been wrecked over the last 1 month. The altcoins pumping right now feels like a bull trap. A lot of market participants are scared to buy in. Why is the market pumping? Why are random coins pumping? Why is Filecoin up 131% over the last 24 hours. You have to go back in time. You have to see what Filecoin has done since the last bull market cycle top. We're seeing Filecoin dump from as high as $215, where it was trading in March of 2021. We saw Filecoin dumping aggressively to gobbling town. And when that big dump happened on the 10th of October 2025, we saw Filecoin down 99.68%. It was a long journey down to gobbling town. There were so many calls for all season along the way, including from myself, but Filecoin continued dumping aggressively to gobbling town. But a final flush on the 10th of October 2025 seems to have done the trick. We're seeing Filecoin bounce aggressively since then. Filecoin got to as low as the $0.67 level. Right now, Filecoin trades above $2.95. A lot of market participants are excited, but Filecoin is trading back where it was trading in May of 2025. The altcoin market has been beating for most part of 2025. We've seen Bitcoin take share of the market spotlight. We've seen Bitcoin trade above $100,000 for a while. I believe market participants are getting risky right now by entering the altcoin market. And over the next 24 hours, over the next 48 hours, we should see more FOMO into the altcoin market. I strongly believe this is the start of something great. For the 1,000 times, you're going to hear a call about altcoin season. And maybe, just maybe, this time will be the time that will be different. Maybe, just maybe, this is the time of altcoins to pump aggressively, because I've seen a lot of market participants saying they're shorting the market. They're tired of this cycle. This cycle has lasted a very long time. They're tired, boss. But shorting the market is always very dangerous, especially when you're shorting one of the most volatile markets in the world, where you can get a 100% pump in 24 hours. Anybody that was short Filecoin right now is probably wrecked. More people are going to try to short Filecoin thinking this is just a one-time pump, but don't be shocked, guys. If in the coming days and coming weeks, you see Filecoin rally maybe to as high as $20. We're seeing what Zcash has done over the last few days. Zcash started pumping, a lot of market participants started shorting. What happened? Zcash continued pumping, and it went from as low as $30 to as high as $700. Filecoin in the space of 24 hours has gone from as low as $1.5 to as high as $3.66. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, the charts are going to reflect that. You're going to see more risky behavior in the cryptocurrency market. A new market participant is more likely to buy Filecoin than he is to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades above $100,000. It feels jaded. Even if you buy Bitcoin and it goes to $200,000, that's 100% profit. And while we're in the market, we're in the market to make some money. We're in the market for those big pumps to the upside. And Filecoin looks like one of those avenues from where we're currently trading. For Filecoin to get to $28, which was a level where Filecoin was trading way back in January of 2022, Filecoin will need to rally up by more than 891%. For it to rally back to previous all-time highs around $200, we need to see more than a 7,000% pump to the upside. These percentages always sound outrageous, but if you put into context, the Filecoin during the last bull market pumped aggressively, and in the space of 385 days, we saw Filecoin going up by more than 9,700%. History doesn't repeat itself exactly, but it always does rhyme. We've seen Filecoin dumping aggressively to gobbling town over the years. I won't be shocked if a counter rally is just around the corner. Filecoin's market cap is still relatively small. Filecoin's market cap sits around the $2.5 billion level. Fully diluted market cap of $7 billion, more than 155,000 people are holding Filecoin. The all-time high for Filecoin happened on the 1st of April 2021, we saw Filecoin trading for as high as $237. Right now, Filecoin is down 98% from the all-time highs. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, if you want to buy more Filecoin tokens, you want to sell more Filecoins, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Filecoin is an OG coin, has been in the cryptocurrency market since 2017. It was here in the 2017 bull market, pumped a little, dumped Goblin Town in 2020, 2019, had a bull market, wonderful bull market in 2021, and it had an aggressive dump from 2021 to 2025. This might be the start of something great. Don't forget, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. If you pay attention to Bitcoin dominance, looks like we're finally declining. Bitcoin dominance started declining in June of 2025. A lot of market participants have not caught on to it. In the coming days and the coming weeks, you're going to hear talks about altcoin season. When you hear talks about altcoin season on Twitter, it's definitely too late. The best time to buy is when market participants are still scared. And that's why if you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, there's still extreme fear in the market. Even though a lot of altcoins are relatively cheap prices compared to where they were trading last year, there's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. Even though Bitcoin trades above $102,000, even though we're seeing Zcash pump, Litecoin pump, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to see sentiment slowly shift from extreme fear probably towards extreme greed. We're going to see all coins pumping, we're going to see more riskier tokens pumping, and eventually the bubble is going to burst. That's one thing that is very, very sure, guys. The rally will always come to an end. That's another thing that is very, very sure. Just like the dump always comes to an end. If you look at Filecoin's market cap, which currently sits at the $2.27 billion level, it actually came down to as low as $480 million just about a month ago. The 10th of October saw that huge crash. A lot of altcoins got decimated. Filecoin from its all-time high was down more than 99%. Filecoin's market cap was down 96% from its all-time high in 2021. We saw Filecoin's market cap going to as high as over $14 billion. From where Filecoin's market cap is currently trading, for us to rally back to all-time highs, assuming everything works equally over the next few days and the next few weeks, Filecoin will need a 556% pump to see an all-time high in market cap valuation. But in US dollar price terms, if Filecoin rally up 554%, we will not be near all-time highs. A 554% pump for Filecoin, we see it trading around the $22 level, and that's going to be very, very crucial. That $22 level, I'm sure a lot of big wheels will be selling out for some sweet profit. We're yet to see, hopefully when we get there, whether market participants are going to get deceived. Will that be the end of the bull market? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. A lot of bears are getting liquidated right now. The altcoin market is pumping. Filecoin is leading the party. Where do you see Filecoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is a new all-time high possible? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, all coins are very, very risky. The lower we go, the riskier it becomes, but the lower we go, the more attractive it becomes. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to see Litecoin outperform Ethereum. We're going to see Litecoin outperform Bitcoin. We're already seeing Litecoin outperform Ethereum by a lot. It's up more than 400% over the last 28 days. Expect it to continue pumping. A lot of market participants have been betting on lower prices since 2021. Right now, it's time for them to get wrecked before that decline to Goblin Town begins. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.